Alright guys, what is up? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. After a month, the bash bar finally came in for the Miata, and we can finally start rebuilding the car. So this was like, I was just waiting for this. This is the main part. I already ordered a new radiator. I got one of these things, which is like a thermostat housing neck thing that attaches to the engine. And then I'm still waiting on a radiator and a couple hoses. Oh, and a water pump timing belt kit. Because if I'm going to replace this thing, I might as well do the timing belt and water pump because it's pretty much due. So let's go ahead and unpackage this thing and see what took them so long to make. But hopefully this thing looks fresh. Check out those welds look pretty decent. Pretty decent welds. We gotta get my daily, because my bike is my daily right now, as you can see. It's getting into the 40s and it's getting cold to ride. So check this out, guys. Here she is. It's like, it looks sick so far. Oh, those are comes with some hardware. But look at this plate, the plate on top. I'm gonna lift it up here, ready? Look at that, guys. And I also got like the center jacking point on the bottom. So I don't know, it's kind of dark right now, but let's go ahead and do a little quick test fit. Kind of see what it's gonna look like. So I'm pretty sure this goes like this.
How y'all doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Oh,
No.
you should have recorded that.
I didn't
Why didn't you record that?
turn that on.
I guess we'll move it up. Alright, I don't know how much of that interaction we got, but my bike was literally parked on the driveway. And then this cop just walks up and he's like, "We've got reports of someone speeding on a motorcycle in the neighborhood." I'm like, speeding? Like, we've been parked here, like. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just kind of test fit it. It's kind of dark, but yeah, we'll just do this in the day. This is what the bash bar looks like in the daylight. Look at this thing. Look at those welds, pretty good. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna paint it, maybe paint it in black, but let's go ahead and throw it on and see what it looks like. So, I had to remove the toe strap in order to install it under here, but yeah, now we can pretty much go ahead and see what it's gonna look like. And right here is not clearing just because of this little piece right here, and same on this side. So I'm gonna have to just cut a little section out of here so I could fit these brackets in. It's not lining up for some reason. Alright, new package just came in. This is the radiator. Oh, that thing looks fresh. Oh god, look at that. 2-row racing radiator. Look at that. And that's gonna go right in here. So it's kind of like gonna be right there. Boom! She's coming together, y'all. Look at that. This thing is thick compared to the stock one. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the bash bar half bolted in. So on this side it's bolted in, and then on this side I'm trying to get that bolt right there in. But basically on this side, these holes on the top weren't lining up. They were just a tiny bit off. So I got a jack right here, and I got a piece of wood just to push this frame rail just a couple millimeters to the side so that hole would line up. So this is what it looks like. I'm just trying to line up that hole right there, which it's almost there. So let's go ahead and get the rest of it bolted up. And then there's also 2 bolts in here that actually hold the bash bar. So it's taking some time to get everything in line, but it looks sick. So as you can see, the whole roll bar is bolted on to these bolts. Same on that side. You got those bolts. Now I just need to take this piece of wood out. This is the issue I'm having, is You see this bracket right here? How there's kind of a gap. I'm just having trouble lining those two bolts up on either side still. But everything else is, all the other bolts are lined up and this thing looks sick.